So here we are, we're gonna install the screen protector, no nonsense, straight away. So you wanna open up your installation package. Everything you get these white wipes, you get wet wipes.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views, influences interest on YouTube.
And you get a cloth to dry it with. You get the squeegee in order to put the screen protector down. You may or may not need it. And you get 2 dust absorbers into one. Now this package, you get the easy to install screen protectors. Now there's a bunch of them. There's 3 in the package and then 1 comes here. So you get 4. I did not realize that. Maybe in the listing, it may be on there, but I don't know. So first I suggest you wash your hands. Get the wet wipe out of the package. And you gotta unfold it. Oh, you also get this mat. They give you this mat that doesn't move. So you want to turn off your phone or turn the screen too dim, I guess. So you wanna, and again, I suggest you wash your hands before you do this. So after you do that, then you take the dry one. Get everything off of here. And then you want to take this right when you're about to put this on. So now you get all the dust off. Once you get the dust off, do not put a finger on here or anything. Put that on there like this. Then you want to pull this out of here and it should be adhering and taking off any dust as well. Then you push these down to kind of adhere it. You can use the squeegee if you need to. And I like to take this off of here. Now you can take that off of there and you should be able to get it tight. Get all the bubbles out, if there is any bubbles, if there are any bubbles. It looks like it's case friendly as well. Because it leaves a little space. Take that off and it should be perfectly applied. And it looks like it is. It's perfectly applied to the screen. Actually, I have a bubble right there. So let's see if I can get that out. Not sure. That might be from me or... Now I lifted that up a tiny bit. Doing that, you can get some... you can get air bubbles out that's close to the corners, but you're likely to get some stuff as far as underneath if you do that, so be careful. But yeah, it's perfect. Perfectly, it should fit a case now because the cases will usually just be around here, so it doesn't cover the bezels. Now that might be a problem for some people because they might, when they're swiping, they can feel this. I'm okay. Peace of mind because I'm caseless. So peace of mind, I'll just deal with whatever I got to deal with. And you can see I don't have high sensitivity even turned on and everything looks great. All right, so thanks for watching.
You know, life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want it.